If you want to create a Reddit community or subreddit, here's what you're going to do. First, you will have to make sure that you have an active Reddit account. So first step is you're going to click Create Community. So if you're using the desktop website, this is often found on the left-hand sidebar of your home feed. So you can find it right here at the left side panel. You're just going to have to scroll down until you find the community section. Now from here, you're going to click on Create Community. Now, if you're on the mobile app, you can just tap your avatar and then select Create a Community or any similar options. Now from here, you're going to add a topic first. So for example, we want to create a community based on anime and manga or cosplay, and then from there, going to hit on next. Now, you have to type in, or you have to choose what kind of community this is. So you can set it to public, restricted, or private if you only want approved users to view and contribute. For restricted, anyone can view it, but only approved users can contribute. So basically, this is like a restricted account wherein you can only they can only post once you approve of them. But for this one, I'm just going to click on public. So if you're also making a create or community that is for matured viewers, you have to make sure that you toggle this on, or else your community will be flagged. Now you're going to hit on next once you're done choosing what type of community you're doing. And then from here, you're going to tell them about your community. You're going to set a community name. Pick a unique and relevant name between 3 and 21 characters, because the community name cannot be changed after creation. So you have to keep that in mind. So from here, I'm just going to just say anime and then just gibberish right here just to make sure that it is actually unique. And then you can just do a description right here. So I'm just going to put in this is a description because this is just for a sample anywhere. So after that, you're going to hit on next. And then after that, you're going to add a banner and an icon. Now, if you don't have it yet, maybe you can skip it and then you just click on Create Community. Now, once you hit on Create Community, your community will now be live. So from there, you can just start creating posts. You can add a community guide. You can do message modes, or you can also invite mods. And then you can toggle, or you can set the community settings right here. You can also edit some widgets. And then you can access some mod tools right here, and then some other options from this 3 dots just beside the mod tools. And that's it. If you want to change the banner, you can just do so by clicking on this edit icon right here, and then you'll be able to set the banner image and the mobile banner image. You can also set it to dark mode if you want. And that's it. That is how you can create a Reddit community. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.